Hey, hi everyone. I'm Shreya and I'm here with my teammates Shivam, Sharik, and Nitin, and we'll be presenting. We're Team 8 for Project 2, and we'll be presenting Leetplanner 2.0. We've taken one of the projects from the previous phase, from the previous project, and we have expanded it with new features. Our application is mostly towards Texas A&M students or anyone who's preparing for coding interviews, coding rounds using LeetCode. So any students in the middle of their internship or full-time preparation. The previous project was more of a solo study session, but now we've expanded it and made it collaborative by adding a new feature called as a lobby, and we have multiple features that we are providing to our students through these lobbies. This includes sharing notes, a collaborative whiteboard for people to brainstorm together, a text chat feature, and so on. We've also added an AI chatbot called as Guru, and we have geared it towards helping you be better equipped to solve all sorts of leak code problems, and basically use all of these features. All of these features are now at your disposal to ensure that your learning process is as smooth as possible. So yeah, going over all of our features again, we do have a live chat in the lobby with which you can communicate with members of your lobby. When you're creating a lobby, you can make sure that whether it's a private or a public lobby, and if it's a private lobby, you can share you can share the code for your lobby with your friends, and they can join using that code. We have an interactive whiteboard which you can use, draw on, and people can refer to what all that you've drawn there. We also have shared notes. Now, shared notes is a feature that works whether JavaScript is enabled or disabled. So let's say you have issues and you're not able to access the whiteboard because you have JavaScript disabled. Shared notes will still work seamlessly. We also have the Guru AI chat assistant, which will help you solve your lead code problems. So as you're all having a collaborative study session, if you have any doubts and you want to go to an AI chatbot, you can do so within our application itself. I'll hand it over to Nitin now to talk about system design.
Thank you, Shreya. So this time the aim of this aim to improve was to bring in collaboration to the application. So we've added lobby feature. So in order to do this, we have leveraged hotwire turbo streams, which has given us the feature of in-lobby text chat. So the users can interact, share their thoughts. We've also used action cable, which is for low latency. This has helped with the whiteboard feature. Uh, there's also the JavaScript optional enabled, which means even if a person does not have a JavaScript enabled in the browser, uh, the application handles it gracefully, which only displays a message that since the JavaScript is turned off, you really cannot use the feature. And talking about the access control, we have built a permission system where the owner of the lobby uh, will be able to allow the users to either draw or chat. Only when the permissions are given, they will be able to do that. Uh, and also there's secure data transfer to front end. We are using the Rails backend, which is going to securely pass the necessary data to the client side. So these are the system design things that I've gone over. Coming to the architecture diagram, we have listed out all the things that we have used. For example, for shared notes, we have used the turbo streams, and for the shared whiteboard, we are using the action cable. And for the chat, we are using the WebSockets. And for database, we're going with Postgres. And the external services that we're having, Google OAuth and Gemini API. So these are the tools and technologies that we have used, which have supported the project. We are using Ruby on Rails. The database is on Postgres, like I mentioned, and the real-time APIs that we have include the Google's Gemini API, which powers the Guru AI chat assistant, and the hotwire turbo streams. They are enabling the in-lobby text chat, and RSpec is for unit tests, and Cucumber is for the acceptance tests. Here are the tables for the application that we have built. We've added the lobby table along with the lobby member whiteboard and notes, and the rest of them from the previous project include the lead code session, lead code problem, and lead code session. Now I'll just quickly go over the UI mockups. We've used Gemini to create these mockups, and this has helped us with the design. Now I'll hand it over to Sharik to speak in detail about the features.
Thanks, Nathan. So with this new update onto the Leetplanner, we have mainly focused on adding collaboration for the users. So for adding collaborations, we went with adding lobbies to the project so that multiple users can join in on a lobby and do some collaboration from there. So as you can see, this is the lobby screen. Can you go back, share? Yeah, so this is the lobby screen that a user sees. So in under your lobbies, you can see all the public lobbies available. So you can just click on them and join them and start your collaboration. Or you can use a lobby ID and enter the lobby code in a join lobby and join there explicitly, so that the private lobbies won't be visible to everyone. So you will need a private code to join a private lobby. So inside a lobby, you can see the description for the lobby that the lobby owner has added for everyone to see. So here you are supposed to add like what the lobby is supposed to do and what all you as a group are doing. And with that, you have the lobby chat where you can have a text chat with every member in the lobby. You can give your updates and talk about stuff. Yeah, coming to notes and whiteboard. So with the shared notes, you can add everything you want and it will be visible to everyone and it is saved. So you need not like worry about the data being lost. It is saved in the server and you can just add things there, save notes and not worry about things. Similarly for the whiteboard, you can draw and everyone else can draw together. If you are discussing some data structures or algorithms, you can jot them out here. And in the participants column, you can see who all have joined the lobby and who all your friends are, which are currently present in the lobby with you. And we have the Guru AI chatbot. You can discuss whatever your problems you are facing about and your planning, about questions, and any stuff you want to discuss it about. So we have added some prompt to uh, make it help you about what problems you ask it. So it will focus on being adding technical details to your reply. So that is a good one. Yeah. So silence encountered. So first thing where we faced issues was deploying things to Heroku. So as like we were using Gemini, we had as we were using Gemini in our Guru chatbot, so we had trouble deploying that because of Google stuff and debugging whiteboard sync. So previous projects we got a little bit idea of Rails configurations, but like with the addition of whiteboard and text chat, we explored new features that we hadn't used before, and those were very new to us. So adding that, debugging that was a trouble. So one of that was whiteboard, and with lobby text chat, we faced a lot of problems.
Yeah. So thank you, Harik, for covering up the challenges and that we had encountered in a project. So now I'll go ahead and explain what the status of our project is and what our future plans and how are we planning to collaborate and take this project forward. So currently our project is completely deployed and all the features are working. So we had divided our project in two equal sprints. So the first sprint included lobby creation, permission management, or where users can update permissions and and then it also included shared notes. Yeah, and in the second sprint, we implemented the AI chatbot and the whiteboard, which added quite increment, which added a incremental change. And after that, yeah. So what our future plans are? So we are considering to integrate a voice chat feature, so where users can join in a lobby and then also talk to different lobby members like Discord or the other applications that exist out there. So after that, we are also planning to add a shared code editor where users can code in real time, like and get a and practice for on real interview experiences. So like in and real interview, we have to share our code and then have a conversation with the interview, similarly like that. And then after that, our third future plan is to persist AI history, which means basically currently our AI chatbot is using Gemini, is calling Gemini API. So our plan is to build our own AI chatbot that will be personalized for Leetplanner and which will be trained on the Leetplanner's features. And after that, collaboration opportunities. So our plan is to collaborate with the Aggie computer science community. So we already have Aggie coding club and Aggie competitive programming club. So our plan is to pitch this feature to these to these co- uh, co- to these clubs in our college, and then also let the users try out the features, get feedback from them, and possibly incorporate those feedbacks, and then yeah, build the project further. So yeah, next slide, please. Mm. Yeah. So use of AI. So in our project, we have used GitHub Copilot and other LLMs like ChatGPT for generating the boiler code of our project, and also develop some designs in HTML and CSS. Also, we have consulted some AI tools for unexpected debug issues that we had encountered. So one of the issues that I was facing was related to SSL error. So yeah, AI helped me out in figuring out how to fix that issue. So also at the end, we have used the UI mockups based on the features and user stories that we came up with. So the UI mockups that were generated that we have seen in the previous slides were generated using Gemini as a base for our project to be built on. So yeah, that's it from my side. And then thank you so much for listening to the presentation, and Deacon.